In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show how to remove green screen in Premiere Pro. I'm using a video clip for my background, and this is my green screen clip, just dragging it onto my timeline. Here you can see this is a subscribe animation with green screen. Now let's see how we can remove this green screen background. Open Effect panel and search here Alt key. Drag this effect above the green screen clip. Select the clip and go to Effect Controls. Under Alt key effect, here we can find key color option. By clicking this color box, we can select any color to remove. And click on this dropper icon and click on your desired color you want to remove. After clicking, here we can see blue screen has been removed. It's quite easy. From here we can customize blue screen. We can change the transparency. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.